Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best comfort foam padding VR headset strap on the market. The KIWI designed K4 head strap for Meta Quest 3 and Quest 3S. Whether you're a seasoned VR enthusiast or a newcomer, this accessory is about to change the way you experience virtual reality. Let's start with the comfort. One of the standout features of the K4 is its all-day wearability, thanks to premium materials. The head strap integrates high-density memory foam cushioning along with soft PU leather that feels luxurious against the skin. These elements combine to drastically reduce facial pressure, allowing you to immerse yourself in games, workouts, or long movie sessions without fatigue setting in. It's designed to accommodate both casual users and hardcore VR fans who spend hours in the headset. Now, in terms of build quality, the KIWI K4 strikes a great balance between strength and flexibility. The side straps are made of reinforced materials that resist cracking or deformation over time, even with heavy use. And the rear fit wheel makes adjusting the strap simple and fast. With just one hand, you can fine-tune the fit to your exact head shape, snug enough to stay in place, yet gentle enough to stay comfortable. The enhanced support system is another highlight. Unlike stock straps that often rely on a single point of contact, the K4 evenly distributes weight across the top and back of the head. This weight balance relieves pressure from the front and ensures the headset stays securely in place. No more constant readjustments during intense moments in VR. Installation is refreshingly straightforward. It uses a clip-on design that seamlessly attaches to the sides of your Meta Quest 3 or Quest 3S. And once it's in place, it stays firmly attached. The build feels sturdy, and you'll notice right away how the improved structure transforms the headset into a more premium-feeling device. Another feature worth noting is the adjustability. The top strap can be lengthened or shortened depending on your head size, and it works well with different hairstyles and even hats. Plus, the material used is sweat-resistant, which makes it a solid option for fitness apps or warm environments. Despite all these features, it's important to note this is a non-battery strap. That means it's lightweight, which contributes to the overall comfort, but it doesn't offer additional power for your headset. However, many users prefer this, as it eliminates extra bulk and still provides excellent ergonomics. From a style perspective, the sleek black design gives your headset a refined, modern look. It blends in naturally with the Meta Quest 3's aesthetics and doesn't look like a clunky add-on. It's functional, clean, and professional. If you found the stock strap lacking in comfort or stability, or if you simply want a better VR experience, the KIWI designed K4 is a smart upgrade. It doesn't try to do everything. It focuses on doing one thing extremely well, delivering exceptional comfort and support while keeping your headset light and secure. That wraps up today's review. If you want to level up your Meta Quest 3 setup, the KIWI K4 head strap is absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more top-tier tech recommendations. See you in the next video.